Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to delete Signal Messenger account permanently. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Signal Messenger app and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner. Tap on settings, tap on account, scroll down, tap on delete account and select here your country and enter here your Signal account phone number and tap on delete account, and here you can say I've successfully deleted my account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.